Hello friends, to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket and then square bracket. O stands for off, means multiplication, or you can solve exponents and square root also. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So according to this rule and according to this sequence, the step-by-step solution. Now in step 1, solve the first bracket. As you can see, the first bracket 7 plus 7 multiplies 7. So inside this bracket multiplication comes before the addition. So first 7 plus 7 multiplies 7. First we multiply, solve it, 7 multiplied by 7 equals to 49, and after that we add the numbers. 7 plus 49 equals to 56. Now according to the step 1, we prioritize the multiplication within the grouping symbol to simplify the term to a single value. Now step 2, solve the second brackets. As you can see, the second parenthesis 7 minus 7 divided by 7. So in this brackets, inside the bracket, division also comes first before subtraction. So first we solve division part, 7 divided by 7 1, and then after subtract the values. After we'll get 6. According to the second step, following the BODMAS, division must be completed before we can perform the subtraction inside the parentheses. Now the step 3, substitute the value back into the expression. So now expression becomes 56 divided by 7 and then minus 6. Now perform division before subtraction. So first we calculate 56 divided by 7. Outside of the brackets, division holds the higher precedence than the subtraction. So first we divide the values. 56 divided by 7 will get 8. And after we'll subtract the values. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So this is the final remaining operation to reach the simplest form of this expression by systematically applying the BODMAS hierarchy, handling the internal operations of the bracket first and followed by the division and finally subtraction. The expression simplifies to final answer 2. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.